really comes down to first your intentions on why you're creating your forecast. The first is you're getting ready to do a fundraise. The second is the board of directors now want to meet with you, like we mentioned, usually once a quarter, to review how close you are to what you said was going to happen. And then finally, my favorite reason is really just getting better insights into the business.
Joining me today is Josh Aharonoff, founder and CEO of Mighty Digits. He is a fractional CFO for fast-growing businesses. Josh is also the mastermind behind Your CFO Guy, where he shares finance and FP&A insights with an audience of over 400,000 professionals. How many years should our forecast be? Usually I've seen, 12 to 24 months of monthly fidelity followed by, 2 or 3 years, either quarterly or annual. What do you see as kind of best practice out there? What are you doing for your clients?
It's a good question, and it really comes down to first your intentions on why you're creating your forecast. And I generally like to say that there are 3 pressing reasons why founders end up creating a forecast. The first is you're getting ready to do a fundraise, and investors want to know, if I give you this money, what are you going to utilize it towards? Do you actually understand your business model? The second is, okay, maybe you already presented a forecast. Maybe you already raised capital. The board of directors now want to meet with you, like we mentioned, usually once a quarter, to review how close you are to what you said was going to happen. And then finally, my favorite reason is really just getting better insights into the business. So when we talk about a fundraise, that very first reason, you generally want to provide a longer horizon. If you're, let's say, graduating from Series C to Series A, you'll want to do about a 5-year forecast so that investors who put in money could understand not only what the money would look like over the next 18 months as you use all of it, but what are things going to look like as you raise your Series B, your Series C, and so forth. If you already raised capital and you're presenting information to the board of directors, generally about a 12-month forecast would make the most sense. If you're really just trying to get information and your own insights, you may also want to do a 12-month forecast. At the same time, you'll want to put extra attention to, let's say, the next quarter and hold your team accountable towards that information.
If someone is struggling to get buy-in from their leadership team on improving the forecasting process, maybe having trouble getting buy-in also on software to put towards maybe Model Wiz, how would you recommend them make the case to their leadership team to invest into the forecasting process?
It's tough. I think the first thing that you really need to do is